Hello. Welcome to the salon. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Great. Do you already have an appointment?
No, I don't. I was just walking by. Is it okay to walk in?
Yes, that's no problem at all. We're not too busy today. There is no wait. You're lucky.
Oh, that's great. I wasn't sure if I needed to call first.
We take walk-ins, so you're welcome anytime. Would you like something to drink? Water or tea?
A glass of water would be nice, thank you.
Of course. Here you go. Please come sit in this chair when you're ready.
Thank you so much. It looks very clean and nice in here.
Thank you. We try to keep it friendly and relaxing for everyone. So, how would you like your haircut today?
I want it shorter, but not too short. Just a little trim, please.
Okay, no problem. Do you want to keep the same style?
Yes, I like this style. Just make it a bit neater.
All right, I'll tidy it up. And the sides, should I cut them too?
Yes, but only a little bit. Not too much on the sides.
Got it. I'll trim the sides just a little. What about the back? Do you want it straight or rounded?
Straight, please. That's what I usually get.
Perfect. Would you like a shampoo before the haircut?
Yes, please. That would be nice. My hair feels a bit dusty.
No problem at all. A wash will help. Please follow me to the wash station. It's just over here.
Okay, thank you.
Is the water okay? Not too hot?
Yes, it's perfect. Very comfortable. Thank you.
Good. I'll use a little shampoo now. Let me know if anything feels wrong.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I'm rinsing the shampoo now. Still okay?
Yes, it feels nice. Very relaxing.
I'm glad to hear that. Now I'll dry your hair a little with a towel.
Okay, thank you.
All done here. Let's go back to the chair now. I'll start your haircut.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
So, do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just 2 streets away. Very close.
That's nice. It's easy for you to come here.
Yes, I like that. I walked here today.
Great. Have you been to this salon before?
No, this is my first time here.
Oh, welcome. I'm happy you came.
Thanks. The salon looks very clean and nice.
Thank you. We try our best to keep it nice for everyone. I hope you like your haircut, too.
I'm sure I will. You're doing a great job.
All right. All finished. What do you think?
Wow, it looks really good. I like it a lot.
I'm so happy to hear that. I tried to keep the same style, just cleaner and shorter.
Yes, it's perfect. Just what I wanted. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Would you like some gel or spray to style it?
No, thank you. I like it just like this. Simple and natural.
Okay, no problem. I'm glad you're happy with it.
Yes, very happy. You did a great job.
Thank you. That makes me smile.
So, how much is the haircut?
The haircut is $10.
Here you go. I'll give you 12. Please keep the change.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. You were very friendly and helpful.
Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day.
You too. I'll come back next time for sure.
We'd love to see you again. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye.